Best place to put Apple AirTag in car. Apple's AirTag can help track your car if it's stolen or misplaced, but placement matters. Let's explore the best spots to hide your AirTag in a car. So first would be the accessible spots. The glove compartment and center console are easy to access for battery replacement. They're discreet but still allow strong Bluetooth signal. Second, hidden spots. Under the driver or passenger seat or inside the trunk lining are hidden enough to deter thieves. These spots balance stealth with signal strength. Third would be maximum stealth. The spare tire compartment is one of the most discreet hiding places. It's harder to access but ideal if theft prevention is your main goal. Fourth, the spots to avoid. Avoid placing AirTags in the engine bay or metal heavy areas. These block Bluetooth signals and make tracking unreliable. AirTags are affordable insurance for peace of mind. Placement determines how effective they'll be. For convenience, use the glove box or center console. For balance, hide it under the seat or trunk lining. And for maximum stealth, use the spare tire compartment.